Now Miss Honey decided to ask a question, difficult question in the class. Okay, जैसे फर्स्ट डे जब हम क्लास में जाते हैं तो सिंपल से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, सिंपल सा वर्क मिलता है, ज़्यादा टफ नहीं होता है. बट मिस हनी हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू गिव डिफ़िकल्ट वर्क इन द क्लास. ओके, इन द फर्स्ट डे. आई वंडर, शी सेड. क्या मिस हनी क्या थी, स्ट्रेंज में थी कि फर्स्ट डे तो बच्चों को पहले बताते हैं, उनको पढ़ाते हैं, तब जाके बच्चे आंसर करते हैं. लेकिन जो भी मिस हनी पूछ रही थी, स्टूडेंट्स वर गिविंग आंसर. ओके, so she was surprised, she was wonder. Okay, then she said, I wonder, she said, whether any of you three who know how to spell cat have learned how to read a whole group of words when they are strung together in a sentence. Children, now what the teacher is saying, she asked कि जो 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, those who spell the cat, उन्होंने कैट की स्पेलिंग तो बताई, बट क्या उनको ये भी पता है कि सेंटेंस को कैसे पढ़ते हैं? सेंटेंस मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ओके, लेट्स सी द स्पेलिंग मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टर्म. Children, strung means joined. Okay, when we join group of words together, it makes a sentence. Okay, so now what the teacher want to know? Teacher want to know कि जो ये 3 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इनको स्पेलिंग पढ़नी तो आती है, अब क्या इन्हें पूरा सेंटेंस रीड करना आता है या नहीं. ओके, आई हैव, नाइजल सेड. ओके, नाइजल ने कहा आई कैन रीड. ओके, सो हैव आई, लेवेंडर सेड. लेवेंडर इज सेइंग यस, मैं भी सेंटेंस रीड कर सकता हूँ. मिस हनी वेंट बैक टू दी blackboard and wrote with her white chalk the sentence. मिस हनी क्या वापस पीछे गई ब्लैक बोर्ड के पास और उन्होंने अपनी चॉक से एक सेंटेंस लिखा बोर्ड पे. ओके, शी रोट अ सेंटेंस ऑन द बोर्ड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी बिगन टू लर्न हाउ टू रीड लॉन्ग सेंटेंस. ओके, she had purposely made it difficult, and she knew that there were precious few 5-year-olds around who would be able to manage it. See, Miss Honey went back to the board and she took a piece of white chalk and wrote a sentence, and the sentence was, I have already begun to learn how to read लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस. ओके, मिस हनी ने ये सेंटेंस लिखा बोर्ड पे. इट वॉज द डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट क्लास स्टूडेंट. ओके, ऑन द फर्स्ट डे. यस, सो शी हैड पर्पसली मेड इट. पर्पसली मीन्स नोइंगली, जानबूझकर. ओके, सो टीचर हैड पर्पसली मेड दिस सेंटेंस डिफ़िकल्ट. Children, do you know why teacher has she had wrote the difficult sentence on the board? और वो भी जानबूझ के लिखा था टीचर ने. क्यों? Because she want to judge Matilda. Yes, क्योंकि टीचर का जो कंसंट्रेशन था वो कहाँ था? मटिल्डा के ऊपर था, है ना. So she wrote a difficult sentence on the board and she want to know, okay, whether Matilda can read the sentence or not. Yes, now teacher said, can you tell me what that says, Nigel? She asked. Now the teacher asked first of all Nigel. Okay, Nigel, you read the sentence. That's too hard, Nigel said. What the Nigel replied? He replied, the sentence is too hard for him and he is not able to read. Okay, then teacher asked to Lavender, the first word is I. Lavender said. Lavender read only I. Okay, so Lavender said the first word is I, but I can't read the full sentence because it is very tough, very difficult. Can any of you read the whole sentence? Miss Honey asked. Now Miss Honey asked to whole the class. ठीक है, अब Miss Honey ने पूरी क्लास से पूछा Can any of you read the whole sentence? आप में से कोई ये पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ सकता है? Waiting for the yes that she felt certain was going to come from Matilda. See, now waiting for the yes that she felt certain was going to come from Matilda. Now teacher is waiting yes from Matilda side, है ना, कि Matilda yes बोले. She was waiting. Now come to the next page. Yes, Matilda said. Go ahead, Miss Honey said. Now Matilda replied, yes ma'am, I can read the sentence. So teacher said, go ahead. Okay, go ahead and read the sentence. Matilda read the sentence without any hesitation at all. See, Matilda read full sentence without any hesitation, means बिना घबराहट के Matilda ने पूरा sentence correctly read किया. Okay, that really is very good indeed, Miss Honey said, making the understatement of her life. Children, understatement, okay, जो बड़ी स्पेलिंग्स होते हैं उसको क्या करना है, ब्रेक करके फिर रीड करना है. ओके, देन इट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू. मेकिंग द अंडरस्टेटमेंट of her life. How much can you read, Matilda? So the teacher said, that's really very good. It's really very good, Matilda. You can read the full sentence. But teacher do not praise Matilda enough and asked, ज़्यादा praise नहीं किया Matilda को और सीधे टीचर ने पूछा, how much can you read, Matilda? I think I can read most things, Miss Honey, Matilda said. Now what Matilda replied? Matilda said, I can read most things. मैं mostly things पढ़ सकती हूँ, Miss Honey. Although I am afraid I can't always understand the meanings. मैं mostly चीज़ें पढ़ लेती हूँ, लेकिन कभी कभी मुझे क्या है, उनकी मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आती है. ओके, मिस हनी got to her feet and walked smartly out of the room, but was back in 30 seconds carrying a thick book. Miss Honey got to her feet and walked smartly out of the room. Now when Miss Honey heard Matilda replied, I can read most of the things, she smartly went out from the room. बाहर गई क्लास से और एक मोटी सी बुक लेकर के आई. ओके, she opened it at random. At random means without thinking, कहीं से भी ओपन कर देना है ना, सोच के नहीं. She opened it at random and placed it on Matilda's desk. देखो मिस हनी ने क्या किया, बुक को ओपन किया, बिना सोचे रेंडमली ओपन किया, एंड शी पुट द बुक इन फ्रंट ऑफ Matilda. She put the book on the desk. Okay, Matilda's desk. Okay, this is a book of humorous poetry. Humorous means जिसमें बहुत अच्छी मजाक जोक वाली पोइट्री है ना. She said, if you can read that one aloud. What teacher said? teacher gave the book to Matilda and said, see if you can read that book aloud. ओपन करके दिया, कहीं से भी पेज ओपन करके दिया और कहा कि आप यहाँ से जोर से पढ़ के बताओ, है ना. Smoothly, without a pause and at a nice speed, Matilda began to read. See, this is the first day of Matilda in the school, and she read full sentence. Now she is reading the poetry, a poem she is reading, okay, without any agitation, without any pause, very nice speed, है ना. Matilda began to read. She opened it at random and placed it on Matilda's desk. Now what Miss Honey has done, she went out very smartly. She took a book, okay, and randomly, at randomly means very fast, quickly, she without thinking, she opened the book and placed the book on Matilda's desk. ठीक है, मटिल्डा की डेस्क पे ले जाके बुक को रख दिया ओपन करके. ओके, दिस इज अ बुक ऑफ ह्यूमरस पोइट्री. चिल्ड्रन, ह्यूमरस मीन्स very funny poetry. Okay, this is the book of funny poetry. She said, see if you can read that one aloud. Now Miss Honey said, Matilda, please read the book one aloud. Children, one aloud means for the whole class. Okay, she said to Matilda, this please read the book for whole class. Okay, smoothly, without a pause and at a nice speed, Matilda began to read. Very nicely she started reading. An epicure dining at Crewe found a rather large mouse in his stew. Cried the waiter, don't shout and wave it about, or the rest will be waiting one too. Children, this is a limerick or funny poem, 5-line poem. Okay, this poem read by Matilda without any pause, very smoothly, means very smartly she read this funny poem. Several children saw the funny side of the rhyme and laughed. Miss Honey said, do you know what an epicure is, Matilda? Several students, means whole of the class, most of the students saw the funny side. Funny side, what is the funny side? Like the crews, stew, shout, about, these are the rhymings. Okay, so the children, most of the children, they start laughing, okay, on the rhyme of the poem. Okay, so teacher asked Matilda, can you tell me the meaning of epicure? She said, it is someone who is dainty with his eating. Children, dainty with his eating means fond of good food. So epicure means fond of good food, the person who is very fond of good food and good drinks. Okay, so she told the meaning of the epicure. Yes, children. Okay, I taught you page 28 and 29. You please go through these pages and read the chapter. And now homework, writing work I am giving you. You have to write down all the word meanings of this chapter. Okay, thank you.